Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today was quite a roller coaster. As you see, my portfolio was riding nicely in the beginning of the day, up 1.34%, and it was slowly going up in price. And I actually broke past $25,000, and it looked like I was going all the way up to maybe even $26,000 by the end of the day, until boom, a huge collapse in my portfolio. Basically, a $2,000 shift in my portfolio from 25.5 to 23.5 in a matter of about, what was it, like less than an hour? Still about 30 minutes. 30, 40 minutes. 40 minutes it took my portfolio to go down from 25.5 to 23.5. And it's mainly due to NEO stock going down. And NEO was doing very, very nice today. It was up about 1.6%, was pretty good. And then dropped all the way down to sound basically down 7%, below 50 bucks. And just telling you right now that if you guys got into that drop, I think anywhere below 50 bucks is a beautiful price to get into NEO stock. So if you got into that price, that's beautiful. But basically the whole market went down, right? As you can see, Tesla, you can see the little drop right there, Tesla. And you see Square stock going down, Dropbox, MP Materials, Jumia, IIPR. The whole market went down at the same time, and it's all due to basically the riots or the protests that are going down on Capitol Hill, and now it's in lockdown, and there's curfews being taken into effect right now. It's just a little crazy. But in the long term, honestly, this shouldn't have an effect on the stock market long term. So this is just a little buying opportunity if you didn't get into NEO stock. There you go. You can get into NEO stock at basically a nice discount of below 50 bucks if you were able to uh, take advantage of it. But yeah, as you see, my portfolio did drop quite a bit, and I'm fine. I'm just doing fine. My my put option actually rose so much in value. I'm still up 10% on it, but as long as NEO doesn't go below $51, I won't be executed on it. And if it does get executed at $51, I don't mind holding it. I'll be selling calls on it. And selling calls, let's just say selling calls would be about a nice $300, about 300 bucks. So that's pretty good. And I'm going to continue doing this strategy. I'm going to sell some puts next week once this one gets executed. I'm probably gonna sell some puts, and I probably will sell for about $300. $300 per week is very, very nice. That's a very nice game from you put $5,000 to get 300 bucks per week. That's really, really good. And what I do is I'm gonna hold on to that money and buy more shares. Hold on, buy more shares, buy more shares, buy more shares, because I believe NEO stock will double, triple, or even 4x in the next coming years. And I'm starting to get way more positive NEO stock. The more I look into it, the more potential it has. And as time goes on, Neil's going to continue to execute. Neil's going to continue to push the boundaries. And Neil Day's coming up. Neil Day's coming up on Saturday. Just a few more days. It's Wednesday. Just a few more days to see what they have announced. And if you have any surprises, it's going to probably not drop the stock. It's going to probably get the stock even higher than it is right now. And right now it's at $51. And it was all the way up to 55-ish. I believe it was up to 55 or close to it. It was close to 55. And you know what? There are surprises. I won't be surprised if it passes up 57, 58, or even $59. 60 bucks might be possible very, very soon. And as time goes on and NEO keeps executing, it's just going to keep going up. It's just going to keep going up. This stock is amazing as long as it keeps executing, and I know it will. It keeps beating expectation time and time again. It will continue to go up. And selling calls and selling puts, in my opinion, is the best way to play this if you're impatient. But if you are patient, just buy slowly over time and hold it. Just hold it. This one's going to be a big money maker in the long run. And that's all for today. Just want a little quick update on the stock price, NEO. Because you know what? NEO is the biggest one in my position by double of my next one, basically double. And I'm going to be really into it with NEO. So if you guys love NEO stock, then just subscribe, and I'm going to be showing you guys my portfolio. I know that there's not many people out there that actually show their portfolios, and I'm one of those people that actually does. So you're going to be seeing NEO as one of my bigger positions running the portfolio, and as time goes on, it will keep running the portfolio.